Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into the buzz surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Action 6. With fresh leaks, FCC certifications, and even potential glimpses of retail packaging, DJI seems ready to drop a game-changing action camera. Let's break down the key rumors and upgrades that could make the Osmo Action 6 the next big thing in the world of action cams. DJI is no stranger to innovation, and it looks like they're setting the stage for another major shift in the action camera market with the Osmo Action 6. The excitement surrounding this new model is palpable, as the latest leaks, FCC certifications, and sneak peeks have fueled speculation about what's next. The Osmo Action 6 has already cleared one of its final regulatory hurdles with the FCC's approval for sale in the United States, signaling that an official launch could be just around the corner. Not long after these certifications, a leaked image of the Osmo Action 6's packaging made its rounds on the internet, shared by a user named Hakasushi on X. The packaging design appears similar to previous Osmo Action models, though some believe the image might have been edited to keep certain details under wraps. While it adds a layer of mystery, it's clear that DJI is gearing up for something major. When it comes to the camera specs, the Osmo Action 6 is expected to pack a punch. The latest rumors point to a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, which we've seen in the Osmo Action 5 Pro. This sensor is known for its ability to capture stunning image quality, especially under challenging lighting conditions, perfect for action-packed shots and fast-paced scenes. DJI is sticking with what works, ensuring that the Osmo Action 6 delivers impressive footage in a variety of environments. One of the standout features is the rumored 155-degree field of view. This wide-angle lens is ideal for capturing immersive shots during extreme activities like surfing, biking, and skiing. A wide FOV lets you take in more of the action, making your footage feel more engaging and cinematic. DJI has used this angle in previous models, and it looks like they're keeping it for the Osmo Action 6 to deliver that signature dynamic look. Battery life is always a key consideration for action camera enthusiasts, and DJI seems to have listened. The Osmo Action 6 could come with two battery options, a 1770 mAh variant and a larger 1950 mAh version. The larger battery could offer extended shooting time, potentially outperforming previous models. There's even speculation that DJI might release both a standard and a Pro variant, with the Pro model offering the larger battery and other advanced features tailored to serious users. Connectivity upgrades are also expected in the Osmo Action 6. Leaks suggest it will feature Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, ensuring faster file transfers, smoother connectivity with apps, and improved accessory compatibility. For those filming in remote locations, this connectivity will be a game-changer, allowing users to upload and share content on the go. Durability is one area where DJI continues to excel, and the Osmo Action 6 is likely to be no different. While official waterproof ratings are still under wraps, we can expect the same reliable water resistance seen in previous models, with the camera likely able to handle depths of 18 to 20 meters without needing an additional case. This makes it perfect for capturing underwater footage or tackling extreme weather conditions. One exciting possibility is that the Osmo Action 6 may come in two versions, a standard model and a Pro version. The Pro variant could feature advanced specs, such as a bigger battery, enhanced low-light performance, and superior stabilization. For those filming in darker environments or looking for top-tier performance, the Pro model could be the go-to. Action cameras are all about capturing smooth, stable footage, and DJI is expected to take stabilization to the next level in the Osmo Action 6. With an even more refined version of rock-steady stabilization technology, this camera will deliver smoother shots during high-intensity activities like snowboarding, mountain biking, or running. The result? Less motion blur and more professional quality video. The Osmo Action 6 is expected to come packed with intelligent shooting modes that make capturing stunning content a breeze. Active Track, which automatically tracks a moving subject, will likely make a return, along with time-lapse and hyperlapse modes for creative shots. Slow-motion filming will also be featured, allowing you to capture every moment in breathtaking detail. The user experience is critical for action cameras, and rumors suggest that both the front and rear touchscreens will see major upgrades in the Osmo Action 6. Leaks hint at brighter OLED displays, making it easier to adjust settings and review footage, even in direct sunlight. This would be a huge improvement, especially for outdoor adventurers who need reliable visibility while filming. In terms of design, DJI seems to be sticking with a tried-and-true approach. The leaked packaging doesn't show any major redesigns, suggesting that the overall look of the Osmo Action 6 will remain familiar. This is a smart move for DJI, as existing users will feel comfortable with the camera's ergonomic design while still benefiting from the new upgrades. One aspect of the leaked image raised some questions. There was no visible aperture marking on the lens, a detail usually present on DJI cameras. This has led to some speculation that the image may have been altered, or that DJI is hiding certain features until the official launch. Until we get official confirmation, it's best to take these leaks with a grain of salt. As for when we can, expect the Osmo Action 6 to hit the market. DJI has yet to make an official announcement. However, given the FCC certifications and DJI's typical product cycle, it's likely that we'll see the Osmo Action 6 launch in early to mid-2025. A spring release would align well with the summer adventure season, making it the perfect time to grab the new camera for outdoor excursions. In conclusion, while we don't have all the details yet, it's clear that the DJI Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be a powerhouse in the action camera market. With its enhanced camera sensor, wide field of view, improved battery life, better stabilization, and upgraded connectivity, it has all the makings of a game changer. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast or a content creator, the Osmo Action 6 could be the camera you've been waiting for.